Hello, fantastic 4th graders. Here's activity 2 called Blob Opera. Over here on the dashboard, upper right hand corner, you're going to see a picture called Blob Opera. You're going to click on it and it's going to take you to a new tab. It's going to be loading for this interactive, very fun singing. Well, yeah, I'll show you, okay? It's super fun. So this plays around with some elements of music that we taught you throughout the year, such as pitch, high pitch, low pitch, melody versus harmony, and there's going to be 4 singers you could play around with. And whether you're using a mouse or your finger on the trackpad of your Chromebook, when you click, you can drag up and down for high, low, and left to right for different vowels for when the blob sings, okay? Alright students, go have some fun with the Blob Opera and be sure to come back for activity 3 and a flip grid activity led by the one and only Mr. Guy. Alright?